Product introduction cooling tower test trainer. And then there's a power inlet. And then over here is a screen monitor. This is the thermometer of the water tower. And then this is the tank heating thermometer. This is USB. This is the water pump switch. This is the debugging switch of the fan. This is the power start switch. This is a heat switch. First gear, a second gear, 3 gears. This is a voltage and current power meter. This is the leakage protection switch. And this is a thermostat switch. Temperature control switch. And then here is the assembly of an air conditioning tower. It has a cooling fan on it. This is a water pump. And cut-off switch. Liquid level observation. These three are 3 threes respectively. 3 different heating tubes. This is. Then drain. There is a filling port on it. The second step we do is actually operate. First, take our power cord. Access test. Turn on the power switch. Turn on this leakage protection switch again and press start. This is a water pump switch. Then we open a display of this traffic. It's opening here. Speed regulating fan. And voltage and current. Here is a heated heating plate, one option. Then at second gear. The power is now 1000 volts. Go to third gear. There are 5 faults on the display side. No E is the water pump failure. No R is the fan failure respectively. No 3小时, there is no E of the heating tube. No wind sign. Then we reset it. Then the wind soon hits 800 watts. The fourth is the second gear switch of the heating plate. Hitting it is still no power. Reset. Power can reach 1200 watts. Fall no. And yes. No sound of the heating tube. Then no power. And we've got 1700 watts as of reset power. Here, if we break, we have to press stop after the failure. After it stops, reset this back. Then press start again. Keep spinning. Then the fan can turn up. During use, we obviously found that the temperature of this cooling tower has dropped somewhat. First of all, when it's over, we're going to turn off the startup. Turn off the fan. Then turn off this heating gear. Then turn off the power switch. Then turn off the leakage protection. Cut the power. Step 3. We are in the process of training. Be sure to pay attention to personal safety. Down here. 3 heating pipes. We must not pour with water, because there is this terminal here, lest he leak electricity. And there's a fan on it. We usually don't touch the upper leaf inside to avoid injury.